Hi, today I'll be swatching my Azure 9D cat eye gels. I got my 9D cat eye gels from Shopee. It's by a brand called Azure. It came in 6 colors. Cat eye gels or magnetic polish gives your nails a textured effect by using metallic particles in the polish that can be activated by a magnet. The nail polish formula contains really small metal particles that are attracted to magnets. When you place the magnet over the wet nail polish, the metal particles rise toward the magnet. The Azure 9D cat eye gel polishes works best with a black base. Apply a thick coat of the cat eye polish, then use your magnet to create your desired design. The best part with cat eye polish is if you make a mistake, all you have to do is rebrush the nail. You don't need to get more polish, and it's like you are resetting your canvas. First, apply a black polish to all of your nails and then cure. Then, after curing, apply your chosen cat eye gel polish. Once you know the design you are going for, hold the magnet over your nail for about 10 to 15 seconds. You can also create different designs using different magnets. You can also use your cat eye polish as the base color for a stamped design. You can also create a design using several colors of cat eye polish. Just don't forget to cure in between your layers. there you have it. 3 different ways you can use your cat eye gels. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day and stay safe.